Hello students, welcome to all of you in the Knowledgeist. So let's start our today's session. Before moving that, first of all, for any test series, you can visit our website test.knowledgeist.in. Clear? So you can practice all your tests on this website here. Clear?
Actually, yesterday also we will discuss MCQs. So today we will discuss more MCQs. Basically today we will discuss mainly full forms type MCQ. Clear? So let's start our today's session. And I think, yes, 40 students are already on the platform. So I will expect at least 25 to 30 answers of each question. Clear? And I expect some students will give the explanation also. Clear? So very easy question on your screens now. What is the maximum insurance coverage under DICGC? Clear? What is the maximum insurance coverage under DICGC? First of all, what is the full form of DICGC? Full form is Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation. Clear? This is the full form of Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation. Earlier, this limit is 1 lakh, but last year this limit was enhanced to 5 lakh. And DICGC works under RBI. Clear? This is an organization works under RBI. Clear? This is basically RBI subsidiary. And these questions are important for all examinations. Clear? Please be careful. These questions are all important for all examinations. Clear? This is basically the latest questions which are basically asked in different examinations. Clear? And you will find that this is all banking related. Clear? Totally banking professional knowledge, not for the students who are appearing for the banking first time, not for that. Basically students who are working in the banking field, these questions are for that. So this is 2.5 enhanced to, basically this is 5 lakh. Clear? This is symbol of rupee. Clear? Not 2.5 Shweta. Clear? Earlier this is limit 1 lakh, later enhanced to 5 lakh. Okay, no issue. Now move to the next question. What is the exit age? What is the age of exit under APY? What is the age of exit under APY? So we will get different answers. So please, age of exit. Some students says 60 years, some says 80 to 40 years. Any other answer for getting pension? Basically exit age is 60 years. Clear? Yes, 60 years, as after the completion of 60 years, one can avail the pension. Clear? Yes. Means you are 100% right. Basically, after the completion of 60 years of age, basically one can avail the pension. Clear? and the amount of subscription is different for different ages. Clear? You can check one short video already uploaded on Knowledgeist platform regarding APY. Clear? Today one more video uploaded regarding the CASA. Basically within 1 or 2 hours that video will also be uploaded. Clear? Clear to all of this? This question? As I think many of you basically subscribed this APY Yojana of customers without their permission, I think. As in news big. Okay, Varun, I will share the link in your Telegram group. No issue. Clear? I will share the link of the video. Clear? In Telegram group also. Otherwise, you can follow my Facebook page. On my Facebook page, I will share all the videos link. Clear? On Facebook page, I will share all the link of videos. Clear? Which I will. Okay. No issue. I will upload it in the Telegram link. So, very, very important question. Very, very important question. If the net working capital, clear? If the net working capital of an entity is rupees 12 lakh, clear? Net working capital of an entity is rupees 12 lakh and its current liability is 48 lakh. So what will be the current ratio? Please tell. Please tell. What is the answer of this question? So first of all, what is the formula of net working capital? What is the formula of net working capital? Please tell what is the formula of net working capital? Yes, formula is CA minus CL. Clear? Current asset, CA basically current asset minus current liability. Clear? Current assets minus current liability. This is the formula. So net working capital is 12 lakh. Current assets we don't know. Current liability is 48 lakh. Clear? So what is basically current asset is 12 plus 48. Clear? 60 lakh. $60 lakh is the current asset. Clear till now? Please tell. So what is the formula of current ratio? Please tell what is the formula of current ratio now? Current ratio is equal to, yes, current assets by current liability. Clear? Current assets by current liability. This is current ratio. Current assets by current liability. This is current ratio. So current asset is 60. Current liability is 48. So ratio is 5. 12 5 is 60. 12 4 is 48. So ratio is 5/4. Clear? There is also one similar term regarding that of current ratio. One is quick ratio. Clear? For quick ratio, we have to one more term. Clear? For quick ratio, we have one more term which is inventory. Inventory. Clear? Here inventory is not given, so that's why they will not ask quick ratio. Quick ratio is current assets minus inventory upon current liability. Clear? This is basically quick ratio. Clear? So you have to write both these formulas, we will discuss one question on quick ratio also. Clear? We will discuss one question on quick ratio also. Hope it clears to all of you. Please tell if you have any doubt, any query regarding that. Clear? Now move to the next question. What is pari-passu charge? Very, very, very important. I think many of you know that, but as we have not discussed the surface actor till now, basically this charge will be created, will be basically this term will be used in that also, surface, under surface. Anyone know regarding this pari-passu charge?